How Flutter helps businesses to scale. For all the time-critical businesses, we recommend building minimum viable products, MVPs, that can be built with limited yet essential features in a shorter time span. That's the reason why building cross-platform apps became necessary. But why Flutter? Is Flutter a good choice for mobile app startups? The answer is yes. And here we are going to discuss the reasons why Flutter is the better choice for mobile app development. Flutter's faster app development with groundbreaking technology. The hot reloading feature in Flutter enables developers to make changes to the code and instantly preview them on emulators and hardware. This speeds up the time to build MVPs. One codebase for two platforms. Google Flutter is a cross-platform app development framework, which means it helps developers to write code once and build apps for all platforms, iOS and Android. Obviously, there have to be some code changes, but the time to build two apps are certainly reduced. Also, Flutter comes with various built-in widgets that makes development quicker than ever. Faster testing and QA. Testing app features on iOS and Android apps can sometimes become daunting for the testers and QA testers. They have to check whether a feature working on one platform is working on another or not. This QA testing process becomes faster with Flutter's single codebase, as the time required to test both the apps are lesser. When you want to save cost on building two native apps. When businesses used to invest in native app development, the apps had amazing UX, but the costs were super high. That's why maximizing ROI was becoming difficult. That's the reason why businesses shifted their focus towards cross-platform app development. But here in Flutter, the app UX and performance are better than what native apps used to deliver. Each feature of Flutter, such as single codebase, hot reload, material design, etc., reduces the hours that developers have to put in to build two mobile apps. Developers can quickly make the changes such as bug fixing, feature upgrades, performance improvement, etc., to the build, and review the changes live on the emulators instantly. Hence, the overall mobile app development time is reduced. With Flutter, you get two mobile apps for the cost of one, literally. When you want consistent UI across iOS and Android. Flutter Widgets helps developers build powerful user interfaces for mobile apps. Unlike other cross-platform frameworks, Flutter has a unified object model named Widget. With widgets, you can define everything from the structural and stylistic elements to the layout aspects. Flutter consists of widgets from Google's Material Design and Apple's Cupertino. So, when Flutter widget rendering happens in the Skier engine, developers don't need to use the original equipment manufacturer widgets, which results in flawless app UI across iOS and Android. For businesses looking to create a consistent look and feel of their mobile apps across multiple platforms, Flutter is the best choice. Choose Flutter when you want beautiful and scalable native cross-platform apps in limited time and cost. But it completely depends on the team you hire to build Flutter apps. We can help you build your highly professional Flutter developer team. Book a meeting with our professional Flutter developer and get your project ready on time.